I want to share with you this really great solution storage. This is an awesome underbed storage bin that slides under the bed. Now it slides horizontally and vertically, saving a ton of space. You can push it all the way in to be completely hidden. And the great features about this case is it has these 360-degree wheels. Look at these great wheels on here. They go in every direction, so you can slide it around there in any way you want. Now they are made of reinforced steel and very securely made. This Oxford type fabric is very strong and it will be safe for decades. It also has a little handle on the horizontal side and the vertical side, and a slot for you to label what's in here. Now, I have it used for bedding, for seasonal bedding, that it's always a pain to store because it takes up so much closet space. But here in this bed, it will slip right under here. Now look how nice and neat that looks. If you push it all the way in, you won't see it at all. But if you do have a bed where it shows, it still looks nice and neat. You can fit 2 or 3 in here under a twin size bed that I have here in this nursery, where there is so little room in some small bedrooms like this one, and you need all this extra space. Now this was provided for me for my honest review, and I want to tell you why I like it so much. It is strong and secure, and it has double zippers. So I can open it from any angle. As you can see, I have a very stuffed duvet cover and the insert in here, as well as some extra bedding, and it slides right under my bed. This would take up an entire piece of furniture or a shelf on a closet if I was lucky enough to get it down strong enough and small enough. You would take a lot of strength to trying to squish that, but in this case, it slips right in, and I can securely save this seasonal bedding out of the way. I really like this product. I highly recommend it, and it is a great solution saver. Now, it will hold up to 24 pairs of shoes, 50 pieces of clothes, and 30 sweaters, all within there. Now, the measurements of this great piece, and the length, the long side is 30.7, and the shorter side is 25.2, and the depth is 5.9 here. So it slips under any size bed. This is a smaller size day bed, and it still slips under there. So you will find that it is a great solution to your storage problems. I highly recommend this under storage rolling 360 degrees storage chest.